Hey YouTube, so we're leaving the Walmart terminal that's up here in New York. It's kind of a nice ride when you go down through the little town, so I thought while I sat in the passenger seat and drummed some driving, getting close to his 200 hours, real close. So he's going to be off my truck here in the next few days. But just thought I'll kind of hold the camera out so you guys can see some of the views. I've had deer running right across this field right here. More than once. And some of you guys have, been asking for like these driving type videos, so. He's walking somewhere. Where he's walking to, we'll never know. Alright, you guys have no idea how hard it is to try to hold a camera steady in a semi-truck.
They get so much traffic here.
Yeah, some days it's bad, some days it's empty.
It's not a ghost town. White stuff was on the floor. Everything was covered in white.
Hey, yeah, I don't like the white stuff. As I have said multiple times, if there's more white stuff than what I would put on top of my pancakes, then there's too much. And yeah, I could have used my Samsung camera right there, but doing the 360 video editing on my laptop, which is underpowered, takes a lot of time. Even though with this camera, high def, doesn't take as long, still takes a little bit. Man, that flatbed is hanging over. Not the best place to be parked. So yeah, we're actually dropping down into Johnstown. From up north on.
Nice houses.
That's some old stone houses right here. State Farm. If it was nationwide, I would do the nationwide jingle because I know it very well because my mom absolutely hates it. Nationwide is on your side.
Oh, State Farm. Rockies.
Yeah.
No offense to you were a kid.
Yeah, my mom always hated the Nationwide, their jingle, so I learned it very, very well. Just agitator. I love her. So yeah, we're dropping down into like a little valley. I bet a lot of kids have always played King of the Mountain right there. Top of that hill. I know I would have when I was younger. I've been all over that. And that's what she said. And then you come into this nice little town right here. A lot of old houses. But man, for a beginner, there's a turn right here that's really, really fun for somebody who doesn't quite know what to do yet. And I guess this would be a good training video for everybody who's watching. So what happens is when you sit here at a red light like we have right now, you get a big old vehicle that wants to park right there on the very edge. And it makes it quite difficult if you're not, exactly sure how to hit your target. Because you got to pull out pretty darn far this way to get around that way.
When you finish the turn, the road gets narrow.
Oh yeah, it gets real narrow right there. It's a little wide right there, which is good because you're going to go all the way out to where that manhole cover is and go out just past that, and then you're going to ride that edge of that curb. But somebody who's, still learning, they might not realize how far they got to go out. But just like that, you see we're riding this curb edge, and then we come in, and there you go. You can see over there. Sorry I didn't get a good zoom of that. But you go around that corner. It's fairly easy. Going the other way, from making that right-hand turn, it's also really, really quite tight. When I pick up my next student, I'll try to get a video of that turn in over there. But it's pretty much the same thing. You just got to go out wide enough and not really do like a bell shape.
Not too wide.
Yeah.
Back up.
Yeah, you really can't. You can't back up there. So it's kind of hard to explain. It's one of those things. It's easier if you see it done than trying to explain how it's done. But yeah. So, oops. All right. Yeah. So we've actually came from that direction before. It's quite nice. And then you got a valley right here, and you got a river right here with an old style bridge. And a dairy bar. I actually would like to stop by that dairy bar because in Texas we have whiskey bars, we have liquor bars, not dairy bars. So it'd be kind of interesting to see what a dairy bar is. I'll have to check it out sometime. And then there's this river right here. It'd be kind of cool to throw a rod in it and see what happens. So, water's actually down a little bit today. And this turn here, you really have to go wide, clear that bridge, but it's not really that difficult. Some of these houses are old as hell. But nice. I wonder how many of y'all are getting seasick watching this. There you go. Seasickness intensified. I can't hold it steady enough to zoom in on all of that over there. But yeah, so when I'm down at the TA, this is where I'm generally talking about. This TA that's right over here.
This is the only truck stop in Johnston.
Yeah. Well, there's another one right over there on the by Dunkin' Donuts. But this is the main one, yeah. TA. Now, I do wish it was a Love's because I love Love's. Said that a few times. But TA, their point system kind of sucks. But it is what it is, I guess. And McDonald's and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, the other truck stop is actually right over there. You'll see trucks parked there at night, but
It's full up.
not that many people park over there. I see quite a few trailers parked right there. Dunkin' Donuts actually sound good, but we're beating the clock today, so we gotta stay rolling. Anyway, 10 minutes and 30 seconds of your time. I think that's quite long enough for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. I got more content coming as soon as I can. And yeah.
I'll show them the Trooper station.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
past the toll.
Right past here, the toll.
So they just call us in for inspection.
They'll call you in for inspection. Yeah, they just call in everybody.
Right as you go to the toll, you get in call.
And it's pretty funny because they'll have that whole parking lot right there just jacked filled up with, you know, trucks. And the cops just walk from that building out. So it's...
But they don't do much.
They don't have to walk very far to get to work.
Very low mileage on those cars.
Yeah. A low mileage unless they need to go somewhere. Alright.
Get donut.
Yeah, so, again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. I got more content coming whenever I get around to doing it. If there's something you guys want to see, know, hear about, whatever, smell about it. Smell-o-vision's not here yet, but if you want to smell about it, I'll tell you how it smells like. Just shoot me a comment, let me know. Have a good one. Later.